Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by grounding yourself and laying out parts so nothing gets lost. This prevents static damage and speeds reassembly. Once grounded, remove batteries and cartridge, then unscrew the 6 case screws. Keep them in order. Use a spudger to separate the front and rear shells carefully. You'll see the LCD ribbon and contrast dial. Next, loosen the small Phillips screws securing the motherboard. This first stage exposes the screen assembly and sets you up to replace the LCD without forcing connectors. You now focus on extracting the old display. First, release the LCD ribbon from the ZIF connector, flip the latch, and gently pull the cable straight out to avoid tearing. Then remove screws holding the screen bracket and lift the polarizer and foam spacers, remembering their order since alignment matters for display integrity. Clean the metal contact pads with 90% isopropyl and a lint-free swab to ensure reliable signal transfer. Before fitting the new LCD, compare connectors and orientation. You place the replacement LCD into the bracket, aligning the polarizer and foam exactly as the old unit sat. This prevents pressure points and ghosting. Once seated, insert the ribbon straight into the ZIF connector and lock the latch. Make sure it clicks. Reattach the motherboard screws, reinstall batteries, and power on to test the image and contrast. If it displays, reassemble the case and screws. If the screen stays blank, stop, recheck ribbon seating and freshly clean contacts, because most failures are due to poor connections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.